Welcome to ReachMail. Our easy-to-use email marketing platform is designed for customers of all shapes and sizes. This is one of many videos to get you started. We will spend these next few minutes reviewing the general ReachMail workflow. The first step in the ReachMail workflow is adding a list. We have multiple ways to add your contacts to your ReachMail account. The quickest way is through list upload, or you can manually enter the addresses one at a time. The second step in the ReachMail workflow is to create a mailing. We have several ways to go about creating your mailing. Our easiest and most popular way to create a mailing is using our editor. No coding skills are required to use to create beautiful, responsive emails. You can use our templates or create a mailing from scratch. Our other options are designed for the more experienced marketer. We have an advanced editor for those who wish to code their own emails with minimal understanding of HTML. If you have your favorite editor or a designer, you can use that and import the HTML to ReachMail. You can do this by file upload from a web page or even from an email. We also have a markup editor for those who wish to code email using HTML only. The final step in the ReachMail workflow is to schedule your campaign. You select your mailing and decide which list or segment it is going to. Then you pick your day and time for it to be sent. Once your campaign has been sent, your dashboard will reflect the results. Keep in mind that your best results are at least 48 hours after sending. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our more detailed tutorials on each step in the workflow. Thank you for choosing ReachMail.